How to fix low accuracy on Google Maps. So if you want to fix the low accuracy on Google Maps, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings and you need to scroll down and go with the apps section. Now under apps, you need to go with see all apps and go with search, which is on the upper side, and search for Google Maps and tap on that. Now once you're here, what you need to do is just simply go with the permissions and make sure that you allow the permissions like location, notification, and nearby devices, photos and videos and everything. Once you've done that, now you just need to simply go with notifications and make sure that you allow the notifications and also the permissions. And you need to go with storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you cleared your cache, now go back and you need to simply remove that and you need to open up your Play Store. Go with search and under your search, you need to simply search for Google Maps. Once you've searched, if you have any updates under your Google Maps, you just need to simply go and update. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, go and restart your device, and after restarting, you will fix your low accuracy on your Google Maps. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.